Hey friends! A premium steering wheel provides essential control, improves your vehicle's handling, and completely transforms the aesthetic feel of your interior. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car steering wheel in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the TESfeel car steering wheel. This ultra-premium 3K glossy carbon fiber upgrade is specifically built for late-model Dodge and Jeep enthusiasts seeking a sophisticated, high-tech cockpit overhaul. It features an innovative integrated smart display with 20 LED bulbs that provide real-time updates on your speed and fuel levels with total precision. The race-inspired flat-bottom design is wrapped in perforated leather with exquisite hand-stitched details to maximize both your driving grip and overall interior luxury. This lightweight yet incredibly strong wheel offers a dynamic driving experience while resisting oxidation to maintain its stunning, sporty appearance for years of intense road use. It is a perfect fusion of advanced technology and racing aesthetics, providing drivers with vital information right at their fingertips while enhancing control during performance-oriented driving. Next up, our second product, the KYMAPAY car steering wheel. Engineered for universal utility, this strong aluminum alloy unit offers a perfect balance of structural rigidity and modern automotive style for your vehicle. The wheel is expertly covered in soft vinyl leather that feels smooth against the palms while resisting long-term heat and corrosive elements effortlessly. Its streamlined, ergonomic shape is specifically contoured to fit the natural curves of your hands for much better handling during your daily city commutes. Including all necessary mounting hardware and screws, it ensures a straightforward setup that immediately enhances the tactile feedback you receive from the road while driving. This racing-inspired wheel is a fantastic option for those seeking a durable, heat-resistant, and visually attractive steering solution that fits almost any standard aftermarket hub adapter. Coming in at number 3, the GONMOT car steering wheel. Boasting a standard 350mm diameter, this racing wheel provides a perfect ratio of size to maneuverability for precise cornering with much less physical effort. The lightweight aluminum spokes are finished to resist fading and rust, while the high-quality black leather wrap ensures a consistent, professional, and comfortable grip. It comes fully equipped with a horn button and all necessary wiring to make your installation process as quick and convenient as possible for any vehicle. Whether you are hitting the track or just cruising through town, this durable unit delivers the high-performance handling and sleek style that every automotive enthusiast deserves. It fits most models with a standard 6-bolt hub, making it a versatile and reliable choice for anyone wanting a durable, high-performance upgrade for their daily driver. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the YAISI car steering wheel. This 320mm racing accessory offers remarkably sharp turning response for those who demand peak performance in high-stakes maneuvers and tight tracks. Built from ultra-lightweight aluminum alloy, the spokes resist rust effectively while the premium black suede wrap provides an incredibly soft and grippy feel. It integrates seamlessly with any standard 6-bolt hub adapter to ensure your driving sessions are both spirited and entirely safe during aggressive corners. This durable unit is specifically designed for racers who need precise control without sacrificing comfort or the modern aesthetic of their vehicle's cockpit area. It represents a high-quality, practical choice for any driver looking to improve their handling and interior style simultaneously with one simple upgrade. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the HiRacing car steering wheel. This 14-inch vintage masterpiece blends timeless wooden aesthetics with robust matte black stainless steel spokes for an unmatched, elegant classic look in any car. The smooth coating on the wooden rim ensures comfort during both winter and summer while protecting against temperature shifts and daily driving wear. Featuring deep ergonomic finger grooves for a secure, non-slip grip, it significantly reduces hand fatigue during those long, enjoyable weekend cruises in your favorite muscle car. It is the definitive choice for JDM projects or classic restorations that require a high-end, elegant feel paired with reliable, modern engineering and corrosion protection. This wheel truly brings a sophisticated, high-performance vibe to your cockpit, combining premium materials with a responsive and tactile steering experience you will love. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.